Oh, yes, please. Oh, look at that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today I have blueberries. I've got a really nice cheap punnet of blueberries there. There's a couple of bad ones, but not to worry. We throw most of the bad ones out. They'll do. I've got cream cheese. We're going to make a blueberry cream cheese crumb cake. How's about that then? Let's do it. Come on. Now I'm using digestive biscuits. You can use graham crackers, anything like that. If you use graham crackers, obviously they're not very sweet, so you have to add some sugar. I'm not adding sugar with this. I'm going to probably just add a pinch of salt. That is all. So they're going in there, and we're going to bash them all up. There we go. We're going to start them off, bash them up. We want a load of crumbs. So this is where the inner drummer comes out in you. You know, you can twiddle and do. Boom! Crazy. Come on, get it all mashed up. So I'm not really good as a drummer, so I'll stick to baking. Okay, that's all breadcrumbs. Grab yourself a bowl and chuck your breadcrumbs in there. Well, the biscuit crumbs really are the. That's all base anyway, you know what I mean. Just chuck it in there. Fabulous. Now I'm just going to put a little pinch of salt in there. Not much. I've got some melted butter straight in there. And just bring that butter in. Want a nice buttery breadcrumb base, and it's going up the sides a little bit too. So make sure you give it a good mix in, as it'll all collapse. There's our crumb. Right, we got this tin. It's a loose bottom tin. As you can see, I've lined it. I've run a little bit of butter around the sides. I don't want this thing to stick. But what we're going to do is chuck all of that in there. Come on. In it goes. Now what we are doing is chucking some down the bottom and pulling it up the sides. We want a little bit up the sides. So just bring it up the sides first. A nice little layer around like that. Feed it back into the bottom. We have to know what we're working with. Now, we're not going for any super duper side crust. Just bring it up a little bit and just smooth it round, you know. If it's uneven, so what? We're putting a crumb on the top of here. So it's not going to make a blind bit of difference. So let's not overdo it. No need to overthink a pudding like this. We want to enjoy it without the hassle. And the good thing with these spoons is, you know, they're not very expensive. So if we're doing something like this, you can always bend it. Don't do it with the best silver set cutlery, whatever you do. We don't want grandma going mental. Okay, and then bend it back again. Does anybody know? Do the heck. There you go. We've got that going on there. Look, it's not really level around the sides. We're not worried about that. Right, we want to chill that for about 30 minutes. There's two ways you can do this. You can chill it for 30 minutes, or you can bake it for about 8 to 10 minutes. I'm just going to chill it. You know, we're not ready for the oven yet. Nothing's prepared. I'm just going to shove that in the fridge. Okay, we want a little bit of filling. There's our cream cheese. There's some sugar. And we're just going to give that a little bit of a beating. Nice and steady. It's going to go all over. This cream cheese is cold. Okay, that's light and fluffy enough. In there with our egg. Get our egg in. Give that a beating. In fact, we want a little pinch of salt in there actually as well. Let's put a little bit of salt in. Let's give that a beating. Just grab something to actually bring it in. A little spatula or something. Bring that in there. Okay, we've got some flour and I've got some baking powder. In there. Mix that through there. And we're going to fold it in there. You know, that vanilla's looking at me, and we nearly forgot. In there with about a teaspoon of vanilla. Grab yourself a little bit of milk. We want about 2 tablespoons. Bring that in. Grab your scrapey thing. I don't know what they call it. Just grab your mixy thing. I'm having a brain meltdown. Just stir it in. Just like that. Blueberries in there. You know, and you can hang it all with flour if you want, but there's that many blueberries. We're just going to stick them in like that. And that'll do. Right, one side. That's our mix. We want to be making up our crumble topping. A bowl, flour, sugar, a little pinch of cinnamon, a little bit of salt. Go in there with that sugar. In there with our butter. Oh, it's starting to melt though. In there with your dandies and bring it all in. This is our crumble topping. There we have it, that's our crumble topping. Beautiful. So I will say I recommend 30 minutes in the fridge to cool down, but there you go. Right, there's our base and sides. And we're just going to dump our mix in there. Grab yourself something to move it about with. It doesn't matter how it goes, come on. Just nice towards the edges like that. You don't even have to compress it down, it's going to do its own thing, so let's not stress over that either. Just let it do its own thing. So there you go, we got that like that. Now we can lick the spoon. Amazing. And then we're going to take our crumble topping and we're just going to dump it on there. Like that, nice and steady. How easy is that? This is a ridiculously easy cake to make. Now if it comes up, it comes up. If it doesn't, it just hangs there. It doesn't matter. It's delicious. It's a cheesecake. It's a baked cheesecake with a crumb top. It's fabulous. It's great to make with the kids. All your grandmas and granddads out there, this is a fantastic recipe for you guys. Enjoy. So there you go, that's our blueberry cream cheese crumb cake in the oven. Come on, get it in. Now I don't think you're going to see very much on the film because it's quite a deep tin. Not to worry. We're going to bake it in there for about 40-45 minutes. And we want a wobbly cake. And that gives us time just to go, what does it taste like? That is a beautiful mix. It's not overly sweet. That is going to be delicious. In fact, You know, you could have probably got away with a squeeze of lemon in there. A little bit of lemon, just to pep it up. But we got all those blueberries, they're going to be sour anyway. There you go. In the oven, 40-45 minutes. Oh, it smells absolutely wonderful in here. We are out. So, it's nothing scientific with this one. It's a case of give it a wobble. And if it wobbles a little bit in there, like that, that is cooked. That is exactly what we want right there. Right, we've got to let it cool completely. Cool it for 30 minutes. Then we're going to take the sides off. And we're going to stick it in the fridge. Oh, it's dropped down while it's been cooling, but we're not going to worry about that, are we? Come on, let's get this out of here. Oh, it's dropped straight out. Oh, oh, look at this. Oh, that is spectacular. Oh my word. Oh, look at that. Jump those crumbs back on there. That is amazing. Oh, the crumbs held up beautifully at the side. Come on. We're not even waiting. We're going in. Oh, oh yes. Oh yes. Are you ready for this? Oh yes, please. Oh, look at that. Oh, look in there. It's outrageous. It needs to go in the fridge and set up. Oh, it's beautiful. Put it in the fridge to set up. Look, it's quite set at this side, but it's not set there. Oh, that is fabulous. Come on, you know me, I just can't wait. I've got to get in. I've got to sample it. It's amazing. Oh, crumble top. Oh, come on. Oh, that might be a bit big. That might be a bit big. That is absolutely stunning. Spectacular. Just look at it. You know, it's setting up quite firmly there, but it's not set up in the middle, obviously. It's beautiful. Oh, it's not overly sweet. It's not sour. Fantastic. That is absolutely outstanding. Honestly, that is really a fantastic crumble cake right there. So there you go, you've seen how it's made. It comes together very quickly, very easy. Just mix it all up, throw it in the oven, bake it. Nothing hard about this one, but look at it, it's sensational. Leave it 4 hours, let it go completely. In fact, leave it overnight. Make it the day before, serve it up overnight. Oh my word, what a cake. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make this. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. We'll catch you in the next video. Oh, this is unbelievable.